There's a sense of pride in owning such machines, that a car is an extension of your personality, and that's what people say. And show me your car and I'll tell you who you are. So this, my friend, is the Tiguan R Line. The R expression of Volkswagen is finally here in India with no holds barred and no undulation whatsoever. We have the 2-liter TSI Evo engine that puts out 204 PS of max power and 320 Newton meters of torque, and it looks absolutely stunning. Nice, sits nice and low, like a typical sports SUV. Sit inside, you're welcomed by these lavish full digital console for the touchscreen infotainment system, the 15-inch massive console, and then you have the 10.25-inch Speedo console. Now let's turn on the beast. I mean, this is unlike anything. And first of all, for those who aren't aware, the words Tiguan, what does it mean? It is derived from two words, tiger and iguana. Tiger is a symbol of strength, iguana a symbol of agility and versatility. So combining that is what they have given the name Tiguan, because it's sporty, it's sturdy, and it is a do-it-all machine. The enthusiast family car, you can say. And one of my friend owns a Tiguan. He doesn't own the R Line. How I wish he could have waited. But still, this is what we get for now. 204 PS. How does it feel? And no holds barred. 49 lakhs ex showroom. So it is expensive, but it gives you almost everything, because it's a proper enthusiast delight. You do have paddle shifters. We're in manual. Let's step on the gas. Let's feel like a proper sports SUV. You sit a little low. Oh boy, what a feeling. Superb cornering capability. Incredible feel. Yeah, cornering at 100 plus is not easy. There's no body roll whatsoever. Oh man, what a lovely road, and what a lovely machine. I'm loving every moment of this. It does have that sporty character or grunt to it. And if you don't shift, it'll shift on its own. I don't know what they have done with this road. So clean shifts. Oh boy. Gotta get out of this place. They just literally kabza-fied the road. What is this? Half of the road is full of wheat. People coming from all over the place. Oh my. The kind of satisfaction that you get, you're cornering at over 120 kilometers per hour. This thing is sheer perfection. Oh, that sound. That sound is intriguing. That sound is satisfying. That sound is magical. It is a little taking time to get going. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go again. Ooh la la. What a feeling, man. This thing is fast and sturdy and planted, and it sticks. I was expecting it to be a little too, swift-footed to get to the 200 mark, but it is taking its own sweet time. It does 0 to 100 in 7.1 seconds, which is kind of cool. But I was expecting it to be a little more swift off the mark, because this is a performance variant after all. And it doesn't hold the gear, that is one thing. See, it does 100 in a matter of no time, but then for the rest of the rev counter, it takes a little more time than usual. Oh boy, it could have been a little more faster. Maybe the hatch, which gets a similar engine, the Golf R, is going to be ultra swift. We have far more traffic today. These are all virtually empty roads. Virtually empty. You don't see even an ant on certain days. But today, it's really kind of surprising to see so much traffic. But the seat is super comfy. Suspension is absolutely sublime. The chassis is brilliant. I'm loving every moment of this Volkswagen. Oh boy, what a launch. What a lovely car. What an SUV. Look at the brakes, right on point. Brilliant. It's incredibly awesome. I mean, it has a unique character. It's not that sporty grunt. It's just clean sophistication of this machine that kind of deceives you with its speed and poise and agility and its capability. It can take you by surprise because it's so effortless that without knowing, you are there within a matter of seconds, and that is deceptively fast. So it is deceptive. It's not like that flash thingy where you know when you see flash that he's going to be fast. It's like the Falcon and the Winter Soldier, the Falcon with the new suit and the wings. He is incredibly fast and agile. Oh man, can't get enough of this. Oh boy, what a feeling. This is real performance. R for real performance or racy performance, whatever you'd like to call it. This gives you goosebumps. This gives you a cargasm. It's so satisfying and so effortless at the same time. Yes, the exhaust is less pronounced. Let's see if I turn down the... a little bit of wind noise. The paddle shifters are precise. Now the same thing that I tested in yet another car just a few days back, couple of days back, there was a lot of latency in the paddle shifts, but this one is so bang on, like you shift and within nanoseconds it just responds. It's so flawless, man. This thing is beyond perfection, and it has perfection written all over it, and that's what you come when you expect a performance machine from Volkswagen. I mean, there's no compromise. They want a performance machine, we give it to you. There's no questions asked, no holds barred, no limitations whatsoever. You want what you get. Yes, because the focus here is not about getting you power adjustable seats and all those fancy gizmos. It's more about the engine tuning. It's more about that acceleration. It's about that stability. It's about the gear shift. It's about that seamless experience, the R experience. When you have the R badging, I mean, these guys do their job judiciously to justify that, and that is Tiguan R Line for you. It is pure joy on four wheels, and people who are enthusiasts are going to fall head over heels in love. I mean, you saw the kind of reception the Virtus GT line is getting. I mean, it picked up a little slowly, but you see people love the kind of intense acceleration it has on offer. That's the fun, man. Don't rob the cars of the fun that they bring to the segment. You are robbing the cars of the fun. Yeah, this is a different windy road. Oh, you can keep doing this all day long. Look at it go. Follow through the line so flawlessly. Brilliant. It's incredibly awesome. I've had my share of fun. I was kicking myself to get my hands on this. I would have stolen one at least to experience this and bring a drive review for you. That's because that's enthusiasts heart for you, man. You want to get behind the wheel of these machines. These machines might go extinct in a few years' time with the EV revolution, but then this is the last of that brave hearts that still believe in pure sheer driving pleasure with no strings attached. And you got to give it to Volkswagen for going the extra mile to celebrate that enthusiasm that car lovers have one last time. It's like a tribute to these ICE legends. Yeah, you have the safety, you have the convenience, you have the luxury factor. We've been driving in manual all along. The paddle shifters are so damn good. Oh man, I'm falling short of expressing myself. Where do I compare this? How do I compare this? Sheer perfection on four wheels. It's like the Beatles. It's like Phil Collins. It's like Bryan Adams. I mean, these guys are legends, and so is the name Volkswagen. You know what to expect when they make a performance-oriented machine. Look at this, once you sit inside the cockpit, I mean the dash, everything screams at you that this is made to perform, made to dominate, and made to absolutely rule the streets. There's a sense of pride in owning such machines, that a car is an extension of your personality, and that's what people say. And show me your car and I'll tell you who you are, is a wise man's saying. And this, beyond a shadow of a doubt, is one of those amazing machines that you won't get to drive 10 years down the line. It's now or never. It's now or never, my friend.